Hello, welcome friends. Kafkawize is a self-service Kafka Topic Management product. It is a web application, which automates the process of creating and browsing Kafka topics, subscriptions and avro schemas, by introducing roles and authorization to users, of various teams within the organization. In this video we are going to demonstrate the features of open source version of Kafkawize. We are using MySQL as the RDBMS for storing metadata. You can use other RDBMS like Postgres or a file system as a metastore. For more information on installation, you can check the detailed documentation at our documentation site. You can download the software from the Kafkawize website. There are three main roles defined in open source version: user, admin and superuser. There are three teams, few users for each team, clusters for development, test, acceptance and production, are set up with the default installation. Okay, let's dive into the demo. First, let's log in with Gary username, who has a user role. This is the dashboard of Kafkawize. It covers all statistics of your team members, your team topics to which your team is producing to, and topics from which your team is consuming from. We can also see all the pending topics, subscription or schema requests. There are a couple of charts. The chart below is your team topics in various environments. And here is the activity log of your team in the last 30 days. Let's see this team's topics. We can see several topics existing in various environments and their owner teams. We can search topics based on cluster, name or teams. Let's get into the details of the topic. We can see topic configuration in different environments, and their subscriptions and who own those subscriptions. Let's get back to the topic overview and see how we can request for a topic. With this form, a topic can be requested. After selecting a cluster, the corresponding number of max partitions are displayed. Let's request for a subscription. In the topic detail page, we see a subscribe button. Let's get into it. With this form, we can request for a producer or a consumer access on the topic. We can only request for literal subscriptions here. Subscriptions are either IP address or principal based. Now let's get back to the menu. We have My Topic Requests here. Here we can see topic requests from all environments. Requests in the created state can be deleted by the same user. Let's see My Subscription Requests. We can see here all producer and consumer subscription requests in all environments. Let's log out, and log in with another user with admin access to approve topic and subscription requests. If we go to the dashboard, we can see pending requests. Let's go to Topic Requests. Here we can approve or decline a topic request. Here is a menu for approving all requests. Let's go to approving a subscription request. Here we can find all pending requests from various teams. Requests come to topic owner teams. Let's log out and log in with a superuser account. Note that superuser also still belongs to a team. A superuser can add clusters, users and teams. Here in the clusters page we can see configuration per environment. We can also see schema registry clusters here. Let's see how we can add a cluster. You can select a name for cluster, and comma-separated clusters, and create a Kafka or schema cluster from here. Let's see the users page. We can see all users and their roles. From here we can add a user. We can assign a role to the user, and a team. Here we can see all teams. Let's see how we can add a team. And we have My Profile page, and Change Password pages. So this is all about Kafkawize open source version. Please try the software, and provide your feedback. If you would like to try the Pro version, or would like to check the demo of Pro version, you can visit our site at www.kafkawize.com, and hit Request for Demo button. Thank you for watching.